This is the Goyho 80-liter hiking pack. As you can see, it's a spacious bag with ample room enough to carry all of your hiking and backpacking needs. It has these great cushioned shoulder straps, back support with an internal frame. It has these awesome little hip straps, which are padded and also have two handy little pockets. The zippers, as you can see, are all finger loop, which means it requires one finger instead of two to work your zippers, whether you're in the cold or what have you. It makes things a little bit easier. If you can see at the top here, there's two carabiner clips for mugs or anything you want to tie on there. There's top strapping, bottom strapping. You can put tents and tarps. You can also strap things onto the side on either side, and this is used to compress the bag to make sure you have a nice, smooth, tight fit as well. We have these extra large water bottle holders in the side here, which can accommodate even some of the largest bottles. I have a big bottle that fits right in there perfectly. Also, you have attachment straps on the front here. There's two of these. You can put a camp chair on there. Lots of different things. This bag also comes with these quick access side areas. So you can put some things in here on the side. And as you can see, this is separate from the rest of the bag. So you can just tuck a couple things in here. It's real nice. Apparently, often when this bag comes, this zipper will look stripped, but I think that's just one of the things they do so it's less tension on it while it's shipping. All you have to do, zip it down to the bottom, zip it back up to the top, and it'll set itself in place and you'll be perfectly fine. At the top of the bag here, we have this handy little quick access pocket, which has a mesh little area here. I like to put my sporks in there. I also store my rain fly in here, which it comes with two rain flies, which they fit around the bag. Two different sizes for when the bag is partially full and really bulky. Or if you have some stuff sticking out over the top, you can drape one of them that way and then drape another one of them this way. The fly fits down like this around the bag. It comes to about here on the side, just past this zipper, so there's lots of room. The water bottle holders have this little tiny strap here which helps secure them, especially with some of those taller water bottles. These straps can be really helpful because they stick out so far that if you're really leaning over and it's loose, they can fall out, and that's kind of a pain. But it also has a adjustable chest strap which you can move up and down on the bag so you can get it into the right position. You want it at about the nipple line. There's a little bit of a whistle on here. Doesn't really do much, but it looks fun. There is a lifting strap at the top, as well as two lifting straps at the bottom, which that's very important because a lot of people lift their bags from different straps and it just damages the bag there. So if we can open this bag up and take a look inside, you'll notice there's a pocket here at the bottom. I don't like to use this pocket just because it does zip up really tightly here, and if your bag's really crammed, it's difficult to get these zippers open and closed. But it's not really an issue for me. See, I bought this bag because I'm just starting out in the backpacking area, and it is a really budget bag. The bag comes in at $47 to $77. $47 for the blue models. There's blue and dark blue. $77 for this orange color, or there's a pink color as well. And as you can see, it fits lots of gear. I got my pots, my stove in there. I've got my tarps here, all my clothes, my ground sheet. Everything just fits great. And then, you know, if you're doing your ranger rolls, you can fit even more in there. And you can stuff a lot in here. As you can see, I have all my equipment, and there's still lots of space. If I want to put my sweater in there, my coat, any sort of extra thing I had to take from somebody else's pack. It'll fit great. And you can store a lot in this bag. You just cinch it up, put that down, and as you can see, there's lots and lots of space here. And this top piece can come out as high to here. And of course the straps are adjustable, so you can put a lot, put a little. I could have possibly, some people talk about getting a 65 liter or a 60 liter, something like that, but I think the 80 liter is great to have because even if you're not carrying a full 80 liters, instead of having this really packed bag, now you can have extra room for packing of your garbage, extra room for your food. And it's just not so packed. And if you don't have so much in there, you can use some of these other pockets. And it's really just going to be a lot more comfortable for you than if you pack everything in there. So this bag, you can get it on Amazon. All you have to do is type in Goyho 80 liter hiking pack. That's Goyho. And it should be the first result there. I'll include the link in the description in the video there. And yeah, this is a really great budget bag. A great bag for people starting out. If you're looking for a bag, 80 liters, from any of the main outfitting stores, it can run you $250, $450 and up. So this bag is $47 to $77. It's a great bag for beginners. It's really served me well in the last year of trips. I haven't had any problems with it at all. It's been very durable. It's been able to carry everything that I've needed, and I've been heavy. I've been packing heavy a lot, and it's still, it's played along with me. This bag is definitely a great asset. You're not wasting your money by spending a little less here because it's not just going to break down on you right away. It's a great bag, especially for the price. I really recommend it. It's not fully waterproof, but it does have the rain fly. So you have pretty much everything you need unless you're doing some sort of whitewater canoeing trip. So yeah, that's the Goyho 80 liter hiking pack. And if you end up getting this pack, I hope you enjoy it, and happy trails. Peace.